Hi, I'm Belle and welcome to How to IT. In today's video, we're going to go through the step-by-step process of uploading your first video to YouTube.
Okay, so here we are, ready to upload your video. Now, if you need help editing that video before you get to this point, please check out my DaVinci Resolve video. Okay, so you're on your home page. It's looking pretty good. You want to add some content. So this is very exciting. You can either go to Customize Channel here, Manage Videos, or you can click on your profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. Right. Now you are greeted with your dashboard. You can go upload videos. Sometimes this is not always there. We can go to create here as well. So we can upload videos, go live, or add a new playlist. So we're going to click on upload videos. Now you can drag and drop your video file or select files. You can either select files and it will bring up your file explorer, or if you've already got it open, you can just click and drag onto the circle box here. Okay, now it comes up with some different options. So we can title the video. So this is a previous video that I just this is a previous video that I just edited. So Surface Duo Feb 23 update. Let's call it that. And now this is your description. So let the viewers know what the video is about. You can also add any links and things to products or anything like that you want to down in your description box as well. Then we can upload our thumbnail. So we can either click on it and it'll open up File Explorer, or you can do the same thing and click and drag. And then you can select playlist. If you don't have any playlists, you can create one. Let's call this Duo Madness. Oops. Have it public. If you have it private or unlisted, viewers won't be able to see the playlist. Then we press create. Now it's ticked, so this video is going to go into this playlist. And press done. We've got no, my videos are not made for kids. You can add a age restriction. So if you're playing a 18 over game, you can then restrict my videos to viewers over 18. This paid promotion, tick this if you have any sponsors or an endorsement deal that you're promoting within that video. Automatic chapters. This tells YouTube to create automatic chapters. You can edit this like I did in my previous video. You can use timestamps. So if you start and say 1 minute in, we talk about the design. And my bad, you do need this. So if you so if you want to, you can name the chapters that YouTube will put on the bottom of your video when it's playing. So you can write that in your description. If you have a blog type video, you can get YouTube to add automatic places. So then tags. So this is all about the Surface Duo. So I would write Surface and make sure you use the comma to space. So I'll just keep on going. It does help a little bit. It's not totally reliant on these tags for people to search. Our video language is English. Recording date, you can add that. So if you are doing a blog, people can see when you recorded it and where you recorded it. And this is where you can turn on or off if you want people to sample this content and use it a part of their shorts as like a reaction video type thing. This is your category. So whatever your niche is under. So if you're doing educational videos, click on education. And then you can actually even go to, let's go tips and select. You can then select who your leveled audience would be. Go research. And also if your content actually relates to an exam or course or something in TAFE or something like that if you're a teacher. You can change it to entertainment, gaming, whichever category best describes your channel. And like I said in a previous video, if you are stuck between the choice of two, just do the one that you want because it doesn't really matter so much. We've got our inappropriate comments ticked. So this is why in the previous video, and if you haven't watched that video yet, please go and watch that. I'll link it up in the description and I'll add a card, but it saves you so much time doing all that previous work. So you don't have to come and do it every time you upload a video. It's already done. And in saying that, that leads me to, so after you've uploaded a couple videos, you can actually use this reuse details feature. And then you can select a video to reuse their details. So you then don't have to add the playlist. So then you don't have to add the playlists or tags or any of that. You can just click off the title if you don't want the same title, click off the description if you don't want the same description, and then press reuse. But we won't do that because it's just going to be you using this and I've already done it. So then next we can press next. We've got video elements. So this is where you can add subtitles if you want to. YouTube does automatically add subtitles. You can add an end screen and you can add cards. So if you want to promote a video that's related to this video, you can add a card and show it where you're talking about that video, and it will pop up on the right top corner of their screen. This does not actually work if you are viewing the video on a TV. You can only click on it if you're watching it on a PC, Mac, like on your desktop, if you're watching it on your phone or on a tablet. These are the only times that these cards actually appear. They don't appear if your viewer is watching it on a TV. And adding an end screen, so we can go add, and then at the end of my video. So with an end screen, it is only allowed for the last 20 seconds of your video. So my end screen only lasts around about 11 seconds. So I want to start my end card there. I have this layout. So I just added a video. You can choose whether to have this as a most recent upload, best for viewer, or choose a specific video. So I'm just going to say best for viewer, and we can adjust how long it displays using this slide bar here. I also have a subscribe button down here. So I've also got a subscribe button icon down here. So we can go plus another element, and I'm going to click subscribe, and then it brings it here, and I'm going to bring it all the way over here. And same again with the video. We need to shorten it because I don't want it over my face. And then they'll both pop up when my outro is playing. Then we can press save changes. And we can go next. This will show you if you've used any music or clips or anything that have alerted a copyright. You can always go in and re-edit your video and just get rid of those. YouTube normally gives you a warning if that happens, but we've got no issues. And then we press next. And then this is where we save. And this is now where we publish our video. So we can publish it for private, so only people you choose can watch it. Anyone with the video link can watch it for unlisted, and public, anyone can view your video. And you can set as a instant premiere. So public video, anyone can watch it and view it on your channel. You can also set this public video as a premiere, so you and your viewers can sit down and watch it together. This does not mean you can interact with your viewers and stuff. Like, some people don't actually get how the premiere works. Like, it's still a pre-recorded video, so viewers tend to think, oh, you're going to chat to me on the video live, but you can't because it's a pre-recorded video. There is a chat section where you can go in and chat. There is a chat section, like I said, and prior to the premiere going live, there'll be like a countdown, and then you and your viewers can watch it together. And then you can also press schedule. So if you press schedule, you can actually select a date and a time. Be mindful that this is your time zone. So say we wanted to upload it on the 15th of March at 9 o'clock our time. You can also set it as a premiere here as well. And then you can press schedule. And then it'll give you a video link. So this is the video link after your video goes live. You'll be able to copy this link and send it to your friends, and they can click on the link and it'll go straight to your video. And then close, and then you just uploaded your first video to YouTube. Well done!
Well, I hope you found this video useful and you have uploaded your first YouTube video successfully. You're on the way to growing your channel. Congratulations! Well, I'm Belle and I hope you guys have a fabulous day.